Hello, everyone. My name is Rosita. I am a vocal and language coach, meaning not only do I teach people how to speak in different languages, I also teach people how to sing in them as well. In today's video, we are going to learn how to express where something is by using the verb estar. So, let's get started. The sentence pattern that we are going to use will be the noun plus the verb estar plus the preposition plus the location. For an example, the car is in the parking lot. El coche está en el estacionamiento. In Spanish, there are two irregular verbs that mean to be. We have ser and estar. And it's very important that we are able to distinguish between the two. The best way that I teach this to my students is that ser is used more for permanent or long-lasting situations, whereas estar, it's used for more temporary situations and for permanent and temporary locations. So let's go ahead and take a look at the different conjugations of estar. To say I am, we have estoy. You are. Informally, tenemos tú estás. To say you are politely, we have usted está. To say he is, tenemos él está. She is, ella está. It is the noun plus está. To say we are, nosotros estamos. You all informally, Castilian Spanish, vosotros estáis. You all politely sería ustedes están. Culture fact. In Latin America, we actually do not use the vosotros form. We will use the ustedes form to express you all in both informal and formal situations. All right, back to the conjugations. To say they are, we have ellos están or ellas están. Now let's talk about prepositions. First off, what are prepositions? Well, prepositions are words that show the relationship of a noun. And there are different kinds of prepositions. We have prepositions of direction, location, time, place, and more. We will know prepositions like the words at, in, under, above, etc. So let's go ahead and take a look at some common prepositions so we can start building a sentence together. Here we have en. En means in, on top of. Then we have sobre. Sobre means over, or also it can mean on top of. Entre. Entre means between. Por. In this context, it can mean for or by. Hacia. Hacia is towards or towards to. Al lado de, which means next to. alrededor de, around the, cerca de, near to or close to, debajo de, under or under of, or underneath, delante de, in front of, dentro de. Dentro de means like inside of something, inside of. Detrás de, behind of. Encima de, on top of. Enfrente de can also mean in front of. And frente a can also mean in front of. Fuera de, this means outside of. Lejos de, far from. Junto a, or al lado de, means next to. So if I wanted to ask, where are the keys? ¿Dónde están las llaves? I could respond with, las llaves están sobre la mesa. So if the noun is plural, we are going to use están. If the noun is singular, then we are going to use está. If I wanted to say, where is Target? ¿Dónde está Target? Target está al lado de McDonald's. Target is next to McDonald's. Now, this is a great sentence structure for my beginning Spanish speakers, especially for those that are just learning brand new vocabulary, but you guys want to start talking immediately. Just go ahead and place the nouns into the corresponding place. So, Target está al lado de McDonald's, which is the location. All right, so let's try to build a sentence. How would I say Costco is far from Walmart? So what's our noun? Costco. Now, what verb are we going to place? Está. And do you guys remember how to say far from in Spanish? Lejos de. And Walmart. Costco está lejos de Walmart. All right, so let's go ahead and review everything that we have learned so far. The sentence pattern that we were using was a noun plus the verb estar plus the preposition plus the location. Now, if the noun is singular, we're going to use está. If the noun is plural, then we're going to use están. Then we're going to place the preposition after the conjugated form of estar. Now, here's also a bonus tip when using the sentence pattern. You can also use this with people. So, ¿dónde está? Not only does it mean where is it, but it can also mean where are you politely. And you can say, well, I'm in Target. So let's check out that conjugation one more time. How do I say I am in Spanish? Yo estoy. And how would I say in Spanish? En. And how do I say target? Target. Gotta roll those R's there. Yo estoy en Target. Alright guys, that will do it for this video. If you guys feel like you missed something or were confused about something, please feel free to rewatch this video as many times as you guys need. Okay? And please check out my grammar classes here on Take Lessons Live. And until next time, I shall see you in the next video, or better yet, my next class. I shall see you guys soon. Nos vemos. Ciao.